Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Discord channel read only. So guys, let's go to your Discord. Now tap on the three lines in the left side of corner. Tap on the profile name. Now tap on settings. Tap on channels. Now tap on text channels general. Tap on channel permissions. Select advanced view. Tap on everyone. Now I will turn off some permissions of the channels and you have to do the same. So guys, that's it. Now your Discord channel will be made a read-only channel. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.